This tiny channel has only 3 videos, yet it's already monetized and has over 2,400 subscribers. How? And more importantly, can you do the same? If you're new to YouTube and thinking about launching multiple channels or diving into YouTube automation, this video is made for you. A brand new channel, just 2 months old, with only 3 videos, already monetized and going viral by uncovering dark history and real paranormal events. How is that even possible? So, what's the secret? The channel explores chilling ancient mysteries and true paranormal events, all told through short, gripping documentaries made for curious minds. It's real stories, dark history, and hidden truths, wrapped into a powerful niche most creators haven't even touched yet. This brand new channel has only a few videos, but it's already making money, proving that untapped niches still exist on YouTube. Based on data from Social Blade, this channel isn't earning a massive income yet, but for a beginner, it's already pulling in an estimated $300 to $500 per month. Another source confirms the channel is monetized with ads running under the People and Blogs category. Its CPM is around $10 and the RPM is about $5.50. As of now, the channel has made approximately $1,000 in total revenue. For such a new channel, that's pretty impressive, and that's exactly why I'm excited to show you this niche. It's still untapped and far from saturated. The channel is using targeted tags to attract the right audience. If you look closely, all of its videos are in black and white with very simple editing. So how do you create videos like these? Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step in this video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a similar channel and set yourself up for YouTube automation success. What if your obsession with ghost stories and hidden history could make you money on autopilot? In this video, we're revealing a shocking passive income niche that no one's talking about, but it's hiding in the shadows of the internet, just waiting for beginners to tap in. So, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've provided. You'll find the Google Docs link to the exact prompt in this video's description. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Next, go to the YouTube channel you want to study. Copy all the key details like the channel name, description, video titles, and stats, and paste them into ChatGPT right after the first prompt. Once that's done, hit enter again. ChatGPT will now generate a full analysis report for you. It will tell you everything: when the channel was created, how many videos have been uploaded, how many views it has so far, how often it posts, and the overall schedule. From this, we learned that this type of channel uploads just 1 video per week. That's very manageable and not as time-consuming as you might think. The analysis also highlights a consistent content pattern, strong mystery-style hooks, use of numbers and data, quantifiers, anchors in time or place, and a blend of real historical references with storytelling. This formula is what keeps viewers hooked, and now you can use it too. Now let's take a closer look at the format being used. The videos are between 15 to 20 minutes long, perfect for long-form storytelling. The very first video is already a big hit, gaining over 100 views per hour. That's a strong signal of viral potential. On average, each video gets around 65,000 views, which is impressive for a new channel. ChatGPT also recommended a complete strategy on how to succeed in this niche. It even generated 50 viral title ideas, each with a performance score. Many of them start with scores between 90 to 100, meaning they're likely to perform very well on YouTube. You can also ask ChatGPT to refine this further. For example, you can say, "Give me the 15 best titles from this list of 50. Then save those titles and work on them one by one." Next, I entered another prompt and gave ChatGPT one of the viral scripts from this channel. I asked it to analyze this script carefully, pay close attention to the tone, storytelling style, and structure. I also told it, later when I ask you to create a custom script template, make sure it matches the same feel and storytelling flow as this one. That way, your new videos will follow the same formula that's already proven to work. And that's how you grow smart with YouTube automation. Now, take the full script from one of the viral videos on the channel, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT right after the previous prompt. Then hit enter. At this point, ChatGPT will begin analyzing the tone, writing style, structure, and storytelling format of that script. We do this so that later, when we ask ChatGPT to create a custom script template, it already understands the original format and can generate similar content with the same feel and flow. Next, I pasted another prompt asking, create a prompt template for generating a script for ChatGPT or Gemini. This template includes sections like title, word count, and opening hook. It also instructs the AI to act like a professional screenwriter and to generate scene-by-scene content that follows the specific style of this YouTube channel. The focus is on using clear, engaging language with an active voice and dynamic storytelling tone. After running it, the output was decent, but it still wasn't detailed enough. So I followed up with another prompt. No, you only mentioned the style and tone. You need to give me a detailed prompt template that also includes outlines. And in the beginning, you didn't explain how ChatGPT should act or what kind of text-to-video prompts it should generate. Then I hit generate, and this time I got a full, detailed prompt template. This helps you create complete video scripts using AI, fully aligned with what's already working on the viral channel. Now, ChatGPT has provided us with 2 versions of the prompt template. I took my time to read both carefully, and you should too. After reviewing them, I picked the one that looked better and more complete. I copied that template and pasted it directly into the ChatGPT prompt box. You can also save this exact template in a Google Docs file. I'll include the link to that prompt in the video description below for your convenience. Next, we need to give ChatGPT the video title and choose a word count. For this tutorial, I'm using a small word count, just for the example, but you can enter up to 7,000 words if you want a long, detailed script. Now that ChatGPT has all the background context and formatting structure, I simply typed, "Write the first outline of the script as per the template." ChatGPT immediately started generating the first outline of the script. Since we had asked it earlier to include visual and audio cues earlier, it also gave us helpful text-to-video and sound effects prompts alongside the script. Once that outline was complete, I asked, "Please write the next outline." ChatGPT continued the script with the next part of the story, making it easy to develop a full professional YouTube script step by step. You can now copy each section, starting with the hook, then the main script, and save them all in a Google Doc for easy access and future editing. This method is simple, repeatable, and perfect for anyone looking to automate a high-quality YouTube channel with AI tools. Now that our script is ready, it's time to record the voiceover. I head over to 11 Labs and go to the Voices section. Here, I select the voiceover artist's name that I previously saved in the prompt doc file. Then I go to text-to-speech, paste in our finalized script, and select the voice. After that, I click Generate to create the voiceover. Once the voiceover is complete, I download and save it to my device. Now we need to create the video visuals. I go to Cephalon AI, click on AIGC apps, and then select the video model section. From here, I choose Cog Video X. This is one of the best tools for turning detailed text prompts into high-quality videos quickly and accurately. I click on Launch App, then select Use Now. The GPU activates and the tool is ready to generate video. Now I paste our first video prompt and click on Enhance Prompt. After that, I simply click Generate Video, and within a few minutes, the video is created. We repeat this process for each scene or visual needed in the script, generating them one by one. Once all videos are ready, I download and save them to my device. Now, we have both our voiceover and video clips saved and ready to go. The final step is putting everything together. For that, we'll use CapCut, a simple and user-friendly video editor that works perfectly for this kind of project. Now it's time to put everything together. First, we import all the video clips in the voiceover file into CapCut. Drag the voiceover file onto the timeline. Then set the correct aspect ratio, for example, 16:9 for YouTube. Now, play the voiceover section by section. As you listen, drag the matching video clips onto the timeline to match the audio. Make sure everything lines up correctly. Next, add text where needed. This includes things like dates, names, locations, or important historical details. Use clean and readable fonts. As you work, adjust the timing by speeding up or slowing down video clips, and trim any extra footage that doesn't fit. Also, make sure to scale or reposition video clips if needed. This helps improve the visual experience. Since our video is based on historical themes, we'll now apply a black and white filter. Drag and drop the filter onto the video timeline to match the full duration of the content. Once you've synced all the visuals and audio and added the finishing touches, duplicate and extend clips if you need to fill out the full video length. Now the final step, click the Export button. Choose the export settings that match your device's GPU. I recommend exporting in at least 1080p for high quality. Click Export again, and your video will be saved to your device. Once it's rendered, take a moment to watch the final video from start to finish to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. And if you want to learn how to create your YouTube channel, choose the right brand name, write SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Then check out our full lo-fi style tutorial video. The link is right below in this video's description.
In 2007, a military transport unit vanished in the heart of the Syrian desert, leaving behind no trace, no footprints, and no answers. It was March 17, 2007, just past 3 a.m., when a US-led coalition convoy left its temporary base on the outskirts of Deir ez-Zor, Syria. The 850-man unit was conducting a classified supply run through a region known to locals as Al-Ramla al-Sakita, or the Silent Sands. At that time, weather reports were clear. The last radio contact was logged at 3:47 a.m., with Lieutenant Harold Bray confirming everything was green. That would be the final communication ever received. By sunrise, an aerial check-in showed nothing. No convoy, no vehicles, no tracks on the sand. Just open desert, as if no military presence had been there at all. By noon on March 17th, a backup unit stationed just 40 kilometers south attempted to reach the convoy's route by land. The commanding officer, Colonel Dana Brooks, was the first to report something unusual. He claimed that the GPS systems guiding his team kept looping them in circles. Despite moving for nearly 3 hours, their convoy never reached the GPS pin where the main unit was last tracked. Meanwhile, several villagers from an abandoned outpost known as Tel Jafir claimed they saw a line of lights in the sky at precisely 4 a.m. That sighting matched the moment radio silence began. One elderly farmer, Mahmoud Salim, said he heard a soundless roar, followed by sudden heat that pressed against his windows. The strangest detail came from a French satellite surveillance team that reviewed thermal data from that night. They confirmed an instant temperature spike in a 10 square kilometer zone, lasting only 17 seconds. Then nothing. Flatline, as if the area had gone completely cold. The following day, March 18th, 2007, military intelligence authorized a full aerial sweep of the region. 2 reconnaissance helicopters from the 421st Aviation Regiment were dispatched. What they reported was chilling. The GPS coordinates where the 850 soldiers should have been now showed a perfectly circular depression in the sand, about 700 meters wide, with no visible markings or debris. The sand appeared untouched. No tire tracks, no broken equipment, nothing. Lieutenant Commander Rachel Elwood, pilot of the lead chopper, described it in her mission log. It was like something scooped the ground from above. There was no scorch mark, no crater, just an unnatural stillness, like a vacuum. Ground recovery teams tried to enter the region hours later, but experienced severe equipment failure. Radios died within seconds. Drones malfunctioned mid-flight. Even mechanical watches stopped ticking. When journalists asked the Defense Ministry for clarification, they denied the incident entirely. But leaked emails from within the ranks hinted at something worse, an internal term: Zone Null. A location marked as high anomaly, where time and matter reportedly behave abnormally.
Over 83% of viewers watching this channel aren't subscribed. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, your one click to subscribe makes a huge difference. It helps us grow, keeps this content free, and brings these powerful AI tools to more creators like you. So please, subscribe, like, and share this video. If you want to watch Earn $95,714 in 1 month, start this before you die. YouTube automation, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to watch Illustrious V 3.0 drops a bomb, can Anima Tensor compete? Click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.